David here, welcome back to the channel. On this week's episode, we are going to be finishing up our fall winterization project with cleaning the canvas that we took off Calypso last week. Now, as you'll see, it involves a number of different products, and we'll get into that coming up. So on today's episode, we're going to be cleaning the top canvas that came off Calypso II. Now, as you can see, the canvas is a pretty good target for seagulls, and it takes a number of products to get it clean. So let's come over here and take a look at the products we're going to be using. So of course, we have our long-handled scrub brush. Let's get out of the way. We have just regular boat soap that we're going to put in with the water. We have a cleaning product that we'll actually use on the isinglass to clean the isinglass. Put that one over there. And this one, you'll like this. Poop off. This is a bird poop remover. One of the things that I'm sure you've realized is that bird poop is really hard to get off, so we'll use that. We also have this Z-Clean Tough Products Heavy Duty Concentrate Cleaner. And then we will be using, if we have to, we're using bleach. In this case, I have bleach tablets, which I will just mix with water. Now, of course, everyone knows that you only mix bleach and water. You never mix it with any other product, so we'll just be doing that by itself. And if you like this kind of content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the bell to see when we launch new content, and share the video. And if you want to support the channel, go to cruisingcalypso.com/shop, where you'll find our full line of athleisure wear and nautical accessories. So now, on to the video. So we're going to start first by giving the canvas a spray down overall. The idea is to knock off as much of the loose material as you can. As you can see, there's just some loose material on there. Now, this canvas is made of sunbrella, and so sunbrella is fairly tough. Not the least of which is you can actually use bleach directly on sunbrella, and it won't hurt the color. That's the one nice thing about this material, is that it can stand up to a heavy cleaning if you take care of it. So once we clean it and we spray some preservative on it, then it should be okay. Okay. We're going to start with just some boat soap and water here, just to try to loosen up that material. To be honest, I don't expect the boat soap to really remove too much of it, but the mechanical agitation does start to take it off. It starts to break down the outer, quite frankly, the outer covering of the bird poop, so that the other products can start to do a job on it. It also serves to get the salt off the canvas, because those salt particles can start to break down the canvas over time. And so this enclosure is a fairly expensive to replace. So we want to keep this canvas in as good a shape as possible. That's why we take it off the boat every year, we clean it, and we store it inside. As you can probably see, some of the lesser stains start to loosen up. And I think you'll see that a little bit in a moment when we spray it off. And just you'll start to see the much tougher stains which we'll have to address. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to ask my assistant to hold that hose, keep it on there. Okay. While Alright, you can turn the water off. Alrighty. So you can start to see that some of the lesser stains came off. So now, the first line of attack is going to be using the poop-off product. After we've done that, this product specifically formulated for this kind of work. And the way this product works is you spray it on, and you really just have to let it sit, to be perfectly honest. It has an enzyme in it which starts to break down the poop. And I will leave a link in the comment section below to all of these products that I'm using. I don't know what your experience has been with bird poop, but in mine, this is some of the hardest stuff to get off, especially not only the boat, but off canvas. Make sure you get plenty of on it. Don't spare the poop off. All right, we're gonna let that sit, and we'll be back in a little bit. So we've been letting that poop off product sit on the canvas for about 10 minutes or so, and now we're gonna mechanically try to remove some of these stains. So let's take a quick look and see how that is working out. As you can see, it's definitely taken off some. This one's lighter, it's going to take a second treatment, but it's starting to come off. So we will keep at it and we'll let you know how it comes out. So we have been scrubbing for a little while now, so let's take a look and see how that has gone. There's a lot of just dirt on the canvas too that'll come off. All right, let me try to drain some of that water off and let's see what we got. So as you can see, a lot of those stains are gone. There's some still light ones left. So at this point, and we have done several applications of the poop off so far, so I think what we're going to do is bring out the big gun. We're going to put a little bit of bleach mixed together and pour it on, let that soak, and hopefully that'll take care of it. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we let the bleach sit for a little while and we scrubbed it off, so let's see how it comes out. And the thing about the bleach is the bleach keeps working even after you've done scrubbing. So what we're going to do is we're going to let the water fall off this, and then we're going to hang it over the fence to dry, and the sun will keep working on those spots. So take a look. I think we pretty much got all the bird stains off of it. So the last step is to see the final product. As you can see, the canvas is now mostly dry. And if you take a closer look at the canvas, you can see essentially all those bird stains are gone. There's a few little hints of white here, but essentially the canvas came out pretty clear. Now, before we put it away for the season, we're going to do one last step, which is to apply this product right here. This is 303 Fabric Guard. This is a excellent product we have used for many years. What we're going to do is we will spray this product on the canvas, and what this does is it helps protect against rain, and it also helps seal the canvas against further stains. So next year, when we take the canvas off, hopefully the bird stains won't be as absorbed into the fabric, and so they'll come off that much easier. So I recommend this 303, not sponsored at all by this product. It's just a product we have been using for a number of years and found it successful. So with that, I think we'll call this video an end, and we'll see you next time.